Yes, you mad Etsy people, mate. You mad Etsy people. Guys, if you're looking for how to set up an Etsy shop for digital products, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And the best way to do it, I'm going to show you, is you can tell from the Etsy platform who the sellers that are doing it the right way are. And I'm going to show you this process. But as usual, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that bad stuff, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. More of my videos in your feed, man, in your feed. Guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, what I've done is I've typed in Christmas PNG because at the time of doing this video, you know, Christmas is a big thing and something that digital products are being listed for right now. Now, if you want to look and see what good stores are doing, this is what you need to do. And I'm going to show you right now. So what you do is you go to the site. Now, I've got EverBee, which is the fantastic research SEO tool, which is hooked up to Chrome and it's hooked up to the platform. And you can do the same. Free access is there. And EverBee is really fantastic because it helps you find those amazing design trends and also to research and do stuff. And in this case, we're going to research and find really good Etsy digital product stores that are doing really well. And they are very recent so that you can see their setup and see maybe how you could do something similar. Right? The best way is to learn from the best. So I'm going to show you this right now. Now, digital products, obviously, there's different types of digital products. I'm going to look at these kind of design digital products, right? And these are probably some of the most lucrative kinds of digital products out there. You know, and a lot of these are also AI generated, which are quite easy to produce. But the first thing I'm going to do is to find a really good store that sells digital products that's recently doing well and making a profit also, so that we can see their setup, is if we go to product analytics really quickly through EverBee. And then what I'm going to do is we're going to analyze all the listings on the system so that we can identify some of the best listings that are making money recently, right? So what I like to do is I like to go to filter, because filtering the recent listings, which are maybe, I guess, 2-month-old max, is a really good sign. Now, even if we combine it with a recent shop that is also doing well. So I'm going to go and say, you know, I could go 12 months, which is still not too bad as a shop age, but I'm going to go even more recent, a 6-month-old shop, right? With a 2-month-old listing. That means I'm going to be looking at a recent listing that is making money, because you can set up many ways, but you want to set up the right way. So I can see already, obviously, you need to sift through. I'll show you how you need to sift through. Do check out my playlist as well. This is quite good. This is quite a good one, right? These gingerbread clip arts making $273 per month, and it's only a 1-month-old listing, right? Very good sign. So this is a good indicator. Knowing that it's a recent listing, making good money, it's a good indicator. And it looks like it's a recent store as well, shop, that, you know, their setup could be an interesting one just to see, right? So what we'll do is we'll have a look at this one first. Let's click on this and you get a bit more information on the side that EverBee gives us. Look, it's got $273 per month. It's only been out for a month, and that is pretty amazing, by the way, just so you know. It's a bundle of 32 clip arts of these kind of really cool gingerbread ones. It's got a 7.71 conversion, right? Now we're going to look at the store just to see what's happening with this, right? Because obviously I want to show you how to set up a store. So we obviously learn from the best. Click that. Okay, so we're looking at this bestseller, which is doing really well. Now, obviously this listing is doing well, but what we want to see is maybe have a look at the store as well. So let's click on the actual store itself. Okay, so this is a store. It's got a really nice banner, nice and clear. You know, that's the name of the store. And you also got your little sort of thumbnail here. Again, little icon, the name of the store. Really nice, you know, quite straightforward. And setup being is, you know, obviously they got their listings now. You know, they've set up this store like about 6 months ago, right? And in terms of their setup, what you need to do is you need to see exactly how they have their things, what they do, how they have their store laid out. You know, I can analyze further and I can see how, you know, the other listings are doing, just to sort of verify that the store as well is, you know, doing quite well. Let me analyze all the listings. Yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to just go down the listings and see, oof, a lot of these are making good money. Yeah, so definitely making, by the looks of it, lots of money. Yeah, I'm counting over 3K already a month, and it's only a 6-month-old listing. So I'm not sure exactly how much it's making, but it's making a good amount of money. And then what you need to do is we just look and see how it's got things laid up. So it's got all this items into sections. They've got 1,135 listings, which is really good for 6 months. That's quite a lot. They've done really well with that. And they've sectioned it into very different niches, animals, gnomes, fairies, fantasy world. And what they've done in this case is they are created clip art digital products, which are like bundles of designs and which work quite well. So these are a bundle of 32 images of gingerbread, 43 images, 31, 22, not the biggest bundles, but bundles nevertheless. And they've got it broken down into sections here, like nature, seasonal, girls, flowers, food and drink. So they're literally the processes of creating bundles and selling these bundle of designs. And you can see there's lots of Q4 ones because Q4 is quite popular right now coming up. But yeah, you can see that the setup for the store is quite a simple setup. It's literally creating bundles of designs, having it all sectioned out on the side here, and literally selling bundles of clip art designs. Now, depending on what you want to sell, you might have a slightly different setup for the store. But generally, if you're selling designs, you will have, whether it be tumbler designs, mug wrap designs, clip art designs, you will have bundles sold. Now in this case, they've obviously identified really good niches to get into, and also they have really high quality designs. And obviously that's the key. Not only is your setup very important, but the whole thing about selling products is to make sure that your designs are very professional looking so that they stand out. And obviously the other things that goes with it, like making sure that the main image stands out, you got your pricing on point, your SEO on point. But in terms of a setup, in terms of a layout, it's very simple. You got your banner, you got your icon. You also got some, offers, which is very important. These really do go a long way in terms of, giving away or giving free bundles or things like that. You got to think about what your offer is, what you can give in terms of value to the customer. And then also don't forget your pricing. Now, if you look and notice on this, there's 1,135 listings and all of them are on sale. Now, that is a very, very important aspect with this. Digital products that are on sale are very important. You need to make sure your listings are on sale. Now, remember, I go through loads of things on my coaching program. Do check it out. The link is below my description. But yeah, this is an example of a good setup, very simple setup, but a very good setup for a digital product store that works, that is actually making a profit, making money. Right? There's many different types I can show you, but this is something that we've identified. Look, they've got Halloween section, Gothic, fall, autumn, Christmas. So they've hit on all the Q4 ones, and they've also got some evergreen items. Yep, really good. I'm going to leave it there, guys. I'm going to leave it there. If you like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, check out my coaching, check out my lives, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, mate. Take care.